How to turn on screen auto brightness on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on accessibility. Now in accessibility, tap on display and text size, and then in display and text size scroll down to the end, and here you will see a auto brightness button. So to turn on screen auto brightness, tap on this button to turn it on, and after that the auto brightness will be turned on. So that's how you can turn on screen auto brightness on your iPhone 16 Pro Max. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.